recording. Hope it is audible to you. Let's see if it is not having with the issues with the audio. Okay. We'll just try to. Already we are having this object file. ELF 64 XP8 dot 4 XP8 dot 87. Okay, so already we are having this. So it will replace with the new instance. With the executable file. Right, so it will be having these elements which will be default, which will be shown. So what is the important part here is we need to display or represent with the things properly, then only it will be we can able to get to the actual output. Okay, so this it will be for first, that is for as it is having no any common elements, so it will be start putting it from the first point of the so it will just a pointer that it will be pointing it at the first location, and with that we are going to have with the further operations or data, it will be transferred bit by bit, okay, or element by element. It will be from source to destination. Okay, so for the types already we are taken with the data which will be with the numerical data, right? It will be not having with the values which are greater than 9. So intentionally we are taken with the simple data. We can add with the changes for this, right? So we can have a static input as, so it will be take appropriate values and it will be transferred it from source to destination. Okay, so this it will be with string and first will be without string. So here with string we are showing it for both output, that is before transferring. Okay, and this it will be for after transferring. So it will be replacing the values. Okay, so this it will be source and destination content after the okay. So already we have done with the implementation. Okay, code also we have done for this, right? So this it will be for overlapped, sorry, non-overlapped block transfer. Now for the overlapping block transfer, what it will be change, it will be having a few elements, will keep it default in the destination block. Okay, so here we are considering the source block and destination block. So in these we'll have, okay, or we are going to perform this with a block transfer with a overlapping element, okay, or overlapping blocks. Okay, so here as like we are having a block 1, block 2, so we'll mention that as in the form of source block and destination block. That is the difference. Right. So let's see this. So when we'll be having with the issues, generally for this open source operating system, let's say if it is possible, try to update the system or make some changes, or else we'll be having option for rebooting or reinstallation of the system. So that is the only part, right? So we need to have, so that is the 9th assignment, right? So here also we'll be having with the most of the things it will be same. It's wherever will be required, we'll take these contents, right? So as it will be having with the same part, right? So at least for the initial part that we are having, section dot data, section dot bss, dot text. representation part that we are having, right? So we'll take it as it is, just it is having with a few changes, right? So that we can able to reduce our time. So this it will be for a block transferred with a non-overlapping content, right? So we'll be taking with the most of the things, right? So variable also will refer it with the same, right? So but it is having some change logic, so that will just make a change in this. Okay, so we start with this. All right, so we'll take it, right, because it will be having with the slight changes, or where we'll be having with the few variables we can change, right? So instead of this non-overlapping, we'll make it to overlapping block transfer. Okay, so other than that, we'll take it to the same things, right? So with the wrong choice, entered, okay, block contains the source and destination block. Now, so related with this, so input which you are going to have, so that is related with the source block, the 0, 1, H, 2, H, and 0, 3, H. Okay. Okay. So this it will be 5 blocks that we are going to have, and as I told that we are going to have with a few elements which we are going to take, which will be common and few it will be uncommon, right? So that is the change we are going to make in this, right? So in the destination block, we'll take 2 blocks or 2 elements as a different one, that is the same values will take, right? So it will be having with the same contents, okay? And 3 digits or 3 values will take it as with the 0, 0, okay, right? So here it will be having with the 3 times 0 for the overlapping, sorry, for non-overlapping we are taking it as for all the elements as 0. So how many number of times you want to put these in the destination block with the default value, so that we are going to mention, right? So then next is a count with, so it will be having with the most of the things it will be same, right? So if you take with the reference from non-overlapping, it will be most of the things are same. So with last values, okay. So here also we'll be having with the option, right? So which you are going to take it as an input. Right, so we'll take with the option buffer. There is a bytes as an input, then display buffer, with the same thing. Okay. So next we'll be having with the same for the macros also, right? So display, and it will be having it as an accepting the option, right? So both values will take it with the same. Right, so what we'll do, we'll take it on this text editor, right? So for the overlapping, sorry, non-overlapping block, so we'll take it with the things which will be required, or it will be reduced the time. So this already we are knowing. So we are getting with the same things, same variables also. Okay. So BSS, okay. Right. Okay. So this it will be a content or a macro. Okay. So what it will be having a change with the logic also if you consider, right? So most of the things it will be same as I told. It will be having with the part for displaying the content as it is having with the few elements will be same. If you means what we are taking it here, two elements as the same, right? So the text part. So this it will be. So that's why we have taken it as an assignment, or while referring these in the form of your explanation also as in the form of one assignment. For coding also, or for referred with the contents, it will be having with the same option. Okay. So just we need to have the changed block. Sorry, it will be having with the global. Global underscore start. Right, so here also will display with the message. Right, so wherever will be required, we'll take the help of non-overlapping block. Right, so which will be a common. Okay, so that is a before transferring. Then okay, actually having the call for the show method, show these elements, then menu. Okay, so with the display message, it is with the same menu message underscore length. So it will display the accept with the choice, option buffer. Okay, now we have done with one assignment which is related with the switch case. Here we are implementing that also. Okay, so because we need to have the two options, right? And we need to compare for this. Okay, it is for option 1, right? Else it is it's 2, second choice. Okay, second option. So second option, it will be generally expecting it is with the without string. So the first option that we are expecting it as in the form of what is the output or the message that we are displaying, right? So it will be in the block transfer, sorry, without string, and second it will be a with string. Okay, so it will be checked with the choice. Save it. Okay, so when we'll be having with the content, right? So we'll include it. We're checking with the options. It's option. So we'll take it with this same compare with up to this. Right? So it will be with the same part. Okay. So you might be feeling that it will be easier if you have got with the part, or if you understood with the part for non-overlapping. For overlapping, we need to have a few elements as a common. That is the only change. Okay, so it will be having the case 3. You can choice. We will include it for third choice. So, just 1 minute. We are working closed. Okay. Right. Okay. So I think I have closed it's another control. So that's why it has closed that window. Okay. will be for third option, right? So that is for exit, right? So we need to have the option buffer. So instead of case 3, right? So already we are having for exit, right? And before waiting for this exit, okay, or exit 1, we need to have these elements. It's already we are getting with the exit case, so we'll display the content. Okay, so as a wrong choice. Okay, and jump with the exit case. Okay, or sorry, menu. Okay, and last option that it will be for exit 1. That it will be having with the actual message we need to have it after performing, okay, or after getting with the actual elements which we need to transfer. Okay. Display message with the macro after message and message underscore length. Will show with the element what it is having if you are having with the while getting with the choice. Okay, so if it is having with the some wrong input, I display with the message, whatever the message or whatever the values are there. Okay, other than 1, 2, and 3 exit keys, right? So we are having and your actual exit for checking with the system call. Okay, so move EX, 1, right? So that is for having an error or not, and interrupt ATH. Okay. So we need to have it the other two conditions for displaying the block of content and showing with the content. It will be mostly same, just change it with the logic of displaying the element which are need to be compared, right? So okay, okay, so for the show method we'll edit with the content, right? So which will be displaying the actual contents, okay, or blocks, memory blocks that we are having. Okay, so we'll take it as a move content from or in the RCX with the input which you are going to have. So inner loop, it will be continued with the taking for one by one element, right? So when we are going to have with these elements, one by one elements that we need to copy from it and check whether it is having with the greater than 9 or not. Okay. And display with the elements, okay, or the message which we are going to have with the providing as an extra space and with the elements. Okay. Display with the message with the values. Okay. So after performing the element, we need to take all the elements or one by one elements which will be removed from the stack, that is for getting as an output. Okay, so it will be loop which will be continued for displaying the element. Okay. And return control. Okay, so as we have done with the element for these blocks, right? So here as like for non-overlapping, we'll be not having with the all the elements, but we need to have with the uncommon elements that it will be need to be displayed, okay, or it need to be identified for both uh, with string and without string. Right? So for both it need to have. Okay, so now we'll write it with the content for you. Actual two options that we are having. Right? So with string and without string. Okay. So what change that we'll be having in this block one? Okay. So we'll get it with this with string was as we have made with the call, right? So w was again, right? So there is some change for this third case. It will be not having with the directly displaying with the message. Okay, so sometimes it has been done with the call for this. Okay. So we need to take care while doing a repetition of the code, okay, or repetition of the procedure calls. Okay, otherwise it will be it's an duplicate variables and it will be not ending with the loop. Okay. So now here what we need to have, as we are considering as a let's say a first two elements it will be common, and other than that it will be all the elements it will be common, which will we can say it as a zero element. Okay, so first two element it will be common from both source and destination. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, sorry. So we'll take it with the same as we have done it for elements which we are going to have, but while doing it here we need to take with the source pointer that will be pointing it with additional value. Okay, so which will be having or it will be starting it from, as we are considering first two elements, it will be a from source we'll be having the elements 1 to 5, but for the destination we'll be taking let's say element 4 and 5 as a common, right? So what I'm saying, so just so we'll write it here only, so that is time saying it, we'll put it in the comment. Okay, so that is a in the source block we are considering element 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 and 0 5, whereas in the destination block, okay, at the initially we'll take the elements as first two elements it will be common, right? So let's say take here we'll take it as a 4 and 5, so and next we'll take elements as a 0 0, right? So that is a 3 times 0 which we are given. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so what it is expected that we need to make the identification which elements it will be common, so we need to compare. So while getting it for the source block which will be starting with the ESI, it should point it from this location. Right side it is having the common elements from this, and up to destination block when we are going to have, that means what we need to transfer or we need to when we are going to have the actual transfer in the elements, it will be done after finding with these first two elements as a common, right? That means what, first two elements it will be identified as a common, and next to that it will be goes on performing, right? So that is the change we need to have or we need to identify in the for overlap block transfer. Okay, so that is we need to identify which elements are common. So hope everything with this. So ESI with SRC block, source block, which will be having or your pointer, it should point to fourth element, right? So that is a 4 and 5 as we have taken it as the common element, that is the last two elements. Whereas for destination block, we'll be having a first two elements are common. So your destination or EDI, it will be starts from second position of the your destination block content. Okay. So after that, we'll have it the same thing. We'll take it with the count, how many elements are there, okay, and we'll get it for the inner loop for this. Okay, so which will be having for identifying and transferring the element one by one from one block to another block. That is for move AL, comma ESI, move EDI to AI. Okay, and incrementing with the both the pointers. Okay, so sorry, decrementing the both the pointers. As here we are starting it from which point, right? So depending on that, we need to make it a increment for this, okay, for both the pointers. Okay, so one it will be pointing it at the fourth, and another it will be pointing it at second location, and from that it will be start performing till end of the all the elements, right? So this it will be for without string. Now it will be for with string. Okay. So here also, as we'll be having with the change, just only is what related with the direction point, right? So that is the change. Okay, so we'll be taking with the same thing with the count ESI, source block plus fourth EDI, destination block with second or second location, and move the elements. Okay, so what is the values with respect to count? Okay, so it will be having with the element, and after that we need to check for the direction flag for the without string. So there we have used with the clear the carry flag, right? CLD, sorry, direction flag. CLD, that is a clear the direction flag. Here we need to have the statement, that is we need to get the set direction flag, right? So it is having the change as STD, that is the set direction flag. So what it will identify is that it is with string, and for that we need to have the direction from which we are going to move element. Okay, so it will be completed with the move SB. Okay, if it is having with the data. Okay. So it will be having with the repetition of this, right? So for showing the element, and then it will be ends it. So we will write to the definition inside for this also. Okay, then it will be written. Displaying with the element, display message, the source block, search message, message underscore, then issue for this. If it got disconnected, we can rejoin with the same link. Okay, so we'll be having with the few points, which is remaining for us. So move ESI, comma, source block. Okay, so that is the actual content. We call for the display block with the message. destination content search. Okay, so with the BST message and BST message underscore A. Now here, while moving it, as we are having, okay, so with the content of destination block, we need to, as we are pointing our uh, destination block content, okay, so with considering the first two elements as common, so we need to decrement or we need to transfer the element with respect to that, right? So we'll get it with the two locations less, or we will be pointing it from that point, and when we'll copy the element, okay, with the display, okay, and it will be written, right? So what is the change that we'll be having, right? So we'll compare this with the overlapping content also, so non-overlapping block which we have seen. So here, as we have done it for the part, right? So till for displaying the element, okay, so which will be having a starting point from for source block from fourth location, fourth and fifth element we have taken it as common, and for destination block, first two blocks are common. So we are going to avoid from that end, from that end. Okay, so we are going to identify that end from which we are going to transfer one by one element. Okay. And your last part for this, that is displaying your final content, whether it is having element greater than or less than 9. Okay, so that will write it, because every time for most of the program, as I told, we need to have this part. Okay, so move ex 02 here with buffer display buffer, then inner loop for this, right? So bit BL comma 444 bit